Hello, it is the 4th week of February 2015 and welcome to the Big Wobble. A report from the National Data Centre has January down as the third warmest on record. That's pretty hard to imagine if you come from the US or certain parts of Europe. After a week of troubles and 3 magnitude 6+ earthquakes close by and a small tsunami warning, sensors at the Fukushima nuclear plant have detected a fresh leak of highly radioactive water into the Pacific. A magnitude 6.2 quake off the coast of Mexico is February's 10th large quake and the 7th large quake in 8 days. A paper published last week provides a case for increasing transparency and data collection to find the effects of human-induced quakes by washwater injection.
A little bit of gas just aerating out of there. That way you can see it or not. Sometimes you have to hold it just right.
Yep. Another puzzling mass die-off along the US West Coast. It's crabs now. Could record sea temperatures be the reason or something more sinister? Yellow dust from China blows into North and South Korea.
The skyline of Seoul, South Korea, as seen through the haze of a sandy yellow dust blowing in from China. The Korean Meteorological Association says the dust originated in the deserts of southern Mongolia and northern China and blew into Korea on a strong wind over the weekend.
4 new craters have been spotted by scientists in Siberia. They may be caused by gas from underground, and they fear the craters becoming more common due to rising temperatures. NASA have released a short video showing an unusual plume on Mars. They say the plumes have been monitored since 1997, but they have been documented since the 1800s and thought to have inspired H.G. Wells to write War of the Worlds. As sinkholes go, this one is very impressive.
A 10-metre wide sinkhole has appeared in a street in Naples after heavy rains and a burst underground water pipe caused the ground to give way. Authorities ordered the evacuation of local residents as firefighters worked to secure the area.
More misery for sea lion pups on the west coast of the US.
Sea lion pups were found dead at Point Dume State Beach. A family stumbled upon them during a walk and took these pictures. The National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration has said that the warmer surface temperatures may be the cause, and it's been a devastating year for sea lion deaths. Now, just to compare, something similar happened in 2013. That's when the government declared an unusual mortality of sea lions in California. Now, this year, Marine Program Manager Jeff Hall says they've already had twice as many reports.
The Ganymede is a straight line of craters 126 miles long. X marks the spot. Is this random or intelligence? Sphericals are found all over Mars. Shrapnel from the First World War. Boston tops 100 inches of snow in record-setting winter.
It is now officially the snowiest February in the history of the city. As of this morning, 52.5 inches of snow have fallen this month, and more than 7 feet of snow has fallen there this winter.
What are you going to do? I mean, you know, it's Mother Nature.
More than 1,800 airline flights have been canceled across the United States today, many into and out of Boston's Logan International Airport.
Rio de Janeiro says it is investigating thousands upon thousands of dead fish floating among sewage and rubbish where the Olympic rowing competition is to be held. For the second time in 10 days, The Popocatépetl volcano, Mexico, has spewed ash into the sky, causing flight delay chaos in Mexico City. I can't wait to hear the official explanation of these two remarkably bright spots on the dwarf planet Ceres. NASA are not giving anything away, saying they think it is a volcanic region. I don't like to involve the big wobble with politics, but sometimes people have to be exposed when they lie to the very people who vote for them. I think it's shameful. Unprecedented snowfall claims more than 200 lives in Afghanistan.
Allahu Akbar!
More and more jellyfish are being reported around the world, which is an indication of coastal eutrophication, overfishing and ecosystem degradation. This magnitude 7 quake was the second biggest of February. It was the 11th of this month. It was also the 14th of 2015. Many people in Kerala, India, have reportedly seen a fireball falling from the sky on Friday night, which is likely to be a meteor or part of a Chinese rocket that burned up hitting the Earth's atmosphere. A terrible situation is unfolding in Mozambique.
We ensure that people have access to the very basics.
Fui ligado àquela hora das 1h30. A minha esposa me liga, ela a chorar. É quando ela só diz, já não temos casa.
Thank you for watching, folks.